Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. It has been quite a while since I have done a wine Butler, and so I wanted to do one this week, and because I really enjoyed, I don't have them down here, because I really enjoyed the way that the Bumblebee coasters from last week turned out with the coloration, I wanted to try something similar with this. So I'm going to be using my blue, it's called Mermaid's Dream Color Cream. This is from Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm going to be using this along with white, which is just going to be, gosh, words are hard. I can't remember anymore. Cast and Craft white. And so what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to lay down little bits of probably the Mermaid's Dream color cream, and then the rest of the resin is going to be in white. I kind of want to see how that's going to look. So, got a little something on my hand. I don't know what it is. It might be oil or something from the color cream. I'll just clean that off. Yeah, I think it's just oil from a bottle of oil I have over there. Anyway, so yeah, that is the plan today. FYI, if you're new to my channel at all and you don't ever look in the description box, I am an affiliate of Dryer Days Art Studio. Their color creams, you guys, are so gorgeous. Ugh, I love them. They're so rich in color. So if you order from their shop using my discount code, which is Meghan10, and it's all caps, Meghan with an H, MEGHAN 10, you get 10% off and I get a small commission. They sell lots of different things. They also sell like glass glitters, which I also have. I have a blue silver glass glitter that is gorgeous. Catherine, she just does an amazing job with her shop. I love her shop so much. So that is today's plan. It's going to be super simple, quick and easy, which I kind of need this week. So let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So I had some extra resin from today's video. So let's see how she looks. Just loosening up around the edges. Okay. Alright. She's a little bent out of shape because I'm demolding these a little bit early. But there you go. Very, very pretty. Here's the back side. Yeah. Okay, I'm not super mad at that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Alright, that is today's bonus unmolding. Alright, friends, so this is cured. And after I poured the first half, I added a little bit more white and blue to the top off screen. Because it looked like it just needed just a smidge more. Alright, let's see. Okay. And not at all what I was expecting on this side. I don't know, I expected it to look a little bit more like the honeycomb stuff. This side looks really cool though. Which again, after I added the extra white, I was like, I should add some extra blue. You know, so that way you can use it on whichever side you want. So for me, this is the side that I prefer. I don't know. Anyway, that is today's video. A little disappointing to me, but fun to do nevertheless. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.